Friends, good evening. I am Shubhangi Sanjay Borde from Buldhana. Now today's date is 6 January 2020 and today's video's topic is collection framework in Java. So now let's see first of all what is the collection in Java. So collection on the basis of collection can achieve all the operations that it performs on a data such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation and deletion. So the simple meaning of collection is the single unit of objects. Java collection frameworks provide the many interfaces like that set, list, queue, dequeue, array list, linked list. That's all it's. So what is collection? The definition of collection: a collection represent the single unit of objects, that is group. And now let's see the what is framework. So it provides the readme architecture. It represents a set of classes and interface. It is optional. So the what is collection framework exactly? Let's see the what is exactly collection framework. The define of collection framework is the collection framework represent the unified architecture for sorting and manipulation group of objects. It has first one is interfaces and its implementation, that is classes. Second one is algorithm. So next one is hierarchy of collection framework. So in this package, the java.util package contains all the classes and interface for the collection framework. So now let's see the some advantages of collection frameworks. So the first one is consist of API. So the lack of collection frameworks gave rise to the above set of disadvantages. The following are advantages of collection frameworks. The first one is consist of API. The API has basic of set of interface like collection, set, list or map, all the classes, array list, linked list, vector, etc. that implement these interfaces have some common set of methods. Next one is reduce programming effort. So in this, a programmer doesn't have to worry about the design of the collection, but rather he can focus on its best use in his program. Therefore, the basic concept of object-oriented programming language abstraction has been successfully implemented. The next point is increases program speed and quality. So the increases performance by providing the high performance implementation of useful data structure and algorithms. Because of this case, the programmer need not think of the best implementation of a specific data structure. He can simply use the best implementation to realistically boost the performance of his algorithm and program. Then the util packages contain all the classes and interfaces that are required by the collection frameworks. Collection frameworks contains an interfaces name and iterable interface, which provides the iterator to iterate through all the collections. This interface is extended by the main collection interface, which acts as a root for the collection frameworks. So All the collections extend this collection interface, thereby extending the properties of the iterator and the methods of this interface. So that's all about its collection frameworks. Thank you.